Okay, hi everyone from me as well. I'm Georgi Chokov. I'm currently product manager in Sitefinity CMS. I've been with the team and the company for about 7-8 years right now. And let me start by saying that I'm very happy to be here with you today and have the opportunity to talk about Sitefinity and our company as well. This session will be just a very short 15-minute session, which is actually, it was actually very challenging for me to cram everything into such a short session, because last year was actually so eventful and great for us that it was really hard to choose what exactly to put in this short session. So let me start with a couple of highlights. First, Sitefinity got included into the 2014 Gartner Report, which just validates for us how much progress has been done by the team in the last 4 years. Also, we acquired many new Fortune 500 customers. We expanded considerably our partner network. We delivered many customer-driven releases, and I'm happy to say that more than 25% of the votes that we were collecting in our public feedback portal, we've been able to meet just this year. So very strong focus on listening to partners, listening to the community, even to Twitter. Some of you know me from Twitter as well. And last but not least, I'm going to just briefly mention about our recent acquisition by Telerik, by actually Progress Software, and how this actually opens more opportunities for growth. So let me start with the Gartner Report first. To summarize the report, we've been recognized by Gartner for our great value, for our mobile strategy, and for our integration capabilities. This again just validates about our progress that we did with the product for 4 years now, because actually our code base is about 5 years old. So it's pretty fresh, and we've been able to make a lot of progress. So maybe some of you know that actually getting into this report is very hard, especially in the WCM space. And I have huge respect to everyone who is actually already there, such as Sitecore, Adobe, and so on. So what does this mean for us, for you, and our partners as well? First, this is going to make the Sitefinity brand much more popular among the enterprises, right? Because some of the guys actually read this report. Second, it's going to be much easier for Fortune 500 companies to choose us and to approve us. And third, for partners, it's actually going to be much more easier for them to sell Sitefinity to enterprise and Fortune 500 companies. As you can see, we entered the stage with a high level of ability to execute, and combined with our vision for the next 1 or 2 years to the marketing cloud, things that we are doing, to the predictive analytics and so on, we believe that we can be in the visionaries quadrant by 2 years, 1 or 2 years. So let me continue with some of the latest enterprise customers win that we had just this year. We acquired Barnes & Noble and customers, Vodafone, Office Depot, Microchip, and many others, which just validates again that Sitefinity is a reliable choice for the enterprise, and also Telerik as a company can be seen as a solid partner. So these are just some of the wins. On overall, in 2014, we've been able to get around 17 companies that joined our partner network. We're currently developing our partner consulting, our actually partnership with consulting agencies, which would actually help all the partners when it actually comes to, say, huge project like complex scenarios, big deployments, and so on. We're also introducing professional services, which are dedicated to support our partners as well. And we're in the process of introducing more localized marketing approach in every region so that we can strengthen our presence there. And this is, for example, one of the summits that we're planning to do next year in many different regions as well. So talking back about what we have released during the past 12 months, if I can summarize with one short sentence, it has been a lot. We actually improved almost every aspect of the product, such as the core. For example, we added things like MVC support, related data, custom fields for pages. We also introduced performance diagnostics module, which can actually show you if the product and also your custom code have any bottlenecks when it comes to performance, which is a great deal for developers as well. In September 2014, we introduced our digital marketing cloud. We call it Marketing Experience Cloud, which my colleague Ivailo is actually going to present in the next session, but with one sentence. This feature, this service allows marketers to get insights out of big data based on predictive algorithms. He is actually going to show you this. And this has been a big milestone for us. Now, talking about what's coming in September, in actually December with our latest release, we're going to provide more Marketing Cloud improvements. We're going to provide support for SharePoint Online, which is also part of the Office 365 Enterprise, which basically means that Sitefinity will be able to live in an ecosystem with the latest Microsoft technologies. We're also going to provide search in the cloud, which means integrating with Windows Azure search services, which are, by the way, still in beta, but they will be probably released around January next year. We're also decoupling the search engine so that developers can actually plug their own search engines like Amazon Search, like Solr, like Elasticsearch, and use it to index Sitefinity content. And we're also going to provide a very popular request coming from the forums and from the feedback portal, which is granular permission per dynamic items. We're actually going to have a more deep technical session later in which we can talk about dynamic modules and so on, and what does this mean for businesses.